Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar-yen price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dove 2.5% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The gold-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the oil drop 0.5% against the dollar. The CCI is giving a positive signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Global stock markets took a breather as investors weighed data showing a steady jobs market recovery against a rise in producer prices, with the debate continuing over when the Federal Reserve will start to ease stimulus. A firm specializing in transferring cryptocurrency announced that the hacker they are calling Mr. White Hat was giving back all $613 million in digital loot from the record Poly Network haul. China's yuan recovered from a two-week low against the dollar, hit in the previous session, reflecting the dollar's retreat in global markets after a cooling U.S. inflation dampened interest rate expectations.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The U.S. Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index will be released at 1400 GMT, the U.S. Import Price Index at 1230 GMT, Finland's Consumer Price Index at 500 GMT. Germany's Wholesale Price Index will be released at 600 GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY NC net positions at 1930 GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions at 1930 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.